I like to consider myself a little bit of an air fryer queen, and so when I came across this one, I knew I had to give it a try. Literally just took it out of the box, still definitely has some plastic that I need to pull off, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like and these features that it has because it is a beaut. So this one here is a really nice, oh, look at that. It even comes with some air fryer baskets. I love these, so easy for cleanup. Awesome that they include that. Oh, also, just since we're talking about things they also include a little cookbook here, which is fantastic with some recipes, some ideas, because I know a lot of people kind of get a little bit overwhelmed with air fryers. I feel like my best advice could be it is trial and error. All of them are different, even though you kind of click one of those buttons. So I do think it is awesome that it does have all those preset buttons, but sometimes you just kind of got to watch it and then figure it out. So, you know, don't be stressed. It will totally work out. And this one, beautiful basket here. This is an 8.5 quarter capacity. So this is nice and large. You can literally just kind of throw your food right in here if you want to, because this is stainless steel. You can actually throw this in the dishwasher if you want. Makes it nice and easy for cleanup. Or if you have something that maybe, you know, let's say for example, you're doing some chicken wings and you've got some nice like oil and spices on there and you kind of want that to drip down. Having one of these is also really great. So you just kind of grab that. It's got some rubber here on the sides. And then what you do is you just push that down here, and then that is going to have your food elevated, which I do, in my opinion, find that that's what makes it the crispiest, making sure that that airflow can get through on the bottom. But again, it is completely up to you. You can do right in there or on top of here. And again, having these is definitely going to help with some cleanup. I just can't get over this capacity. This is super nice and large. One of the other things that I have not seen on another air fryer, hopefully you can see this. Check this out. This is pretty cool. So they do have just like a little bit of a guide right here. So it's showing you, so if you're doing French fries, you want it at 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. If you're doing that, looks like little hot dogs, 360. So it kind of gives you like this little bit of a cheat sheet, which is kind of cool because if you're just trying to figure that out, this is a really good gauge. Again, depends. If you have too much food in here, I tend to overpack my air fryer, so it definitely needs a little bit longer cook time. So you just want to keep that in mind. Super easy to use. It's really hard to see on camera, I know, but you have your screen right here. Everything is touch screen. So like right here is your French fries, and it will automatically set that for you. Right here, you've got your fish button. But of course, you have your plus and minus for time and for temperature over here. So let's say, you know, it's saying right here for some fish here, we've got 320 for 20 minutes. I can obviously temperature and I can go, oh, sorry, this one's time. I can go up in time. I can go up in temperature. You totally have control, but it is nice to have those little cheat buttons when you're just trying to figure out what you're trying to do. So yeah, this air fryer, I think it looks really nice. If you do have a larger family, love the capacity, as I keep saying. And yeah, this thing is absolutely fantastic if you are looking for an air fryer.